What is American culture? Is it one single thing? Not even close. America's cultural heritage is a living, breathing tapestry woven from millions of threads. It's the soul-stirring rhythms of jazz born in New Orleans, the ancient wisdom of Native American tribes, and the diverse flavors from Mexican, Chinese, and Southern kitchens, passed down through generations. At its core, our heritage is built on a radical idea: freedom. The freedom to create, to believe, and to be yourself. This has fueled everything from rock and roll and Hollywood blockbusters to the powerful movements for civil rights and equality that continue to shape us. Our differences aren't a weakness, they are our greatest strength. In our communities, cultures from across the globe exist side by side, creating a unique and vibrant society. Heritage isn't just something we inherit, it's what we choose to build and pass on. Let's continue to create a future that honors every single voice. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content